grounds provisioned for the kings and clergy. Space within the iron tomb, all in honor of the master.